Ciao, welcome to the vlog. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In my last video, the last time we talked, I had just gotten home from Florida and I was going on a walk with my family. It's been like 5 months since I've kind of had a trip where I could relax, and when I did go on a trip to relax is when I launched my ebook back in January, like December, January, so it wasn't so much of a relaxing trip. I never really let myself relax, so so grateful to be able to relax this time. Everyone's so different, but my personality is, even though I'm obsessed with fitness, is I don't work out when I'm on a trip, because if I'm in my own environment, then it's really hard for me to sleep in, to skip a workout, to take a break, to not work late. If you take me out of my environment, it's super easy for me not to feel all the guilt or the pressure to go do all those things. And I'm so grateful that I didn't, because maybe that's really what my body needed. And like I said, everyone's different. Some people need to work out, but I, for one, as someone who's quite obsessed with fitness, and I fluctuated so much in my life with weight, and I feel like I'm actually the most fit I've ever been in my life and healthiest I've ever been in my life. I recommend personally taking that break, because you deserve it, and finding different ways. Going on a run is actually a great example of something to do workout wise when you're traveling, because you get to like see where you are and see different parts of where you are. I think that's really nice. But like going to the hotel gym, I mean, it's fine and it's good, and I've definitely done that before, but it's kind of nice to like explore. So for me, I took 2-hour-long walks every day on the beach, have a change of scenery, look for seashells. I found a sand dollar. I mean, it was great. And kind of balanced eating. I definitely drank a little bit more while I was there, but I balanced it out with still trying to make some like moderate food, healthy choices. But I also had ice cream here and there and lots of little birthday desserts, which was really fun. And it was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful week. I was so grateful to go. And that's just like my 2 cents as we get into summer travel and you feel that pressure to keep up with your routine. Came home and went for a run, went to the gym. I'm one of those that rolls out of bed and just like gets the workout done, so excuse this right now, but it's my first run in 5 months,
I worked up so hard last summer to get a pace of 10 minutes per mile, and I am going to be so kind to myself today because I know I'm not going to get 10 minutes. It's Monday morning. I'm starting out strong. Look how beautiful these are. Hoping it's a good run. I'm not going to document the run because like you're not supposed to film where you live, you know, but I'll give you the update.
That run was actually still under 10-minute miles. So I met my goal of where I was when I stopped running. And so I met my goal, but it was definitely a struggle. You just gotta like kind of push through the struggle when you take a bigger break to get back into things, and then it's like so worth it. So back at my workouts, and yeah, like I'm a little bit bloated, all that, but also my body felt really good going into workouts after a week of a break. So that was really, really nice. It's just been a really, really good week of getting back into it. May has started, so we're in a new month. I love a new month energy. I love the beginning of a month. It's such a good time to be my favorite self, which is planning and organizing and thinking things through. May is going to be such a busy month. So I just had a really good week of just getting back into the routine of things and getting organized.
It's Friday. I have had a day of failures today, guys. Today was a total failure. I tried to prep some fun little recipes for this weekend. Lucy, my sweet puppy, is deciding to drink water right now, if you can hear her. I'm still in a Floridian mood, and I only have shown you guys maybe 300 acai bowls in other videos, and in this one I showed you a couple acai bowls. So I was like, gosh darn it, Caroline, I should just make them at home. I wanted to make a granola. I got a little too creative. I made lime spice granola. I wanted to keep things tropical, and so I did a bunch of spices like cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, because I used the protein from Sprout Living that has turmeric in it, which is quite like a stronger spice. But anyways, so I just wanted to make a fun granola. I burnt it. I'm totally impressed by the texture and the clusters. So the trick with granola, I talked about this with my baklava granola, is you want to let it cool completely before you start breaking it apart, because I'm a cluster geek. I'm all about the clusters. I like the taste of this. I've tried it. I'm gonna get some other people to try it this weekend. I think they're gonna say it's too weird of a flavor. So I think I'm gonna remake it. Today's Friday. I think I'm gonna remake this Sunday. On top of that, I tried to make, like a dang idiot, I tried to make coconut cashew butter, because that's the butter that was on the acai bowls in Florida. It was this coconut cashew chia seed butter that they were putting on top. I went to go look for the food processor, because that's where you should make your nut butters, never the Vitamix. And I got really lazy looking for the food processor, so I'm like, oh, I'll do it in the Vitamix. I started making this nut butter at like 3 o'clock. It's 6:50 because it has overheated the Vitamix like 5 times now. And I'm so close, like we're thick, but at least we're blended, but we're still pretty chunky. But anyways, that was a fail too. And then the last thing, I'm just craving pasta, so we're gonna make carbonara because I was given another dozen, this time from a friend, farm fresh eggs. And I'm like, what do you do with farm fresh eggs? You make carbonara. Carbonara, being from Rome, my family being from Rome, growing up, carbonara was our mac and cheese, one of our weekly meals. But what do you want? What do you want? She just keeps looking up at me. What do you want, huh? Are you gonna pull my necklace? Pull my necklace. I think she's hungry, so I have to give her dinner after this, after I finish talking to you guys. But carbonara is our favorite. I'm gonna indulge in some pasta because moderation. I'm gonna try to finish this cashew coconut butter, and then I'm gonna make some pasta because it's 7 o'clock, and that's just what I'm gonna do.
I was able to make some fun yum things today. I made homemade acai bowls. The best part of them was honestly the granola that I made, which I'm so excited to share that recipe. So I used my favorite berry collagen vegan protein in this protein granola. It turned crispy, crunchy, clustery. I love a good clustery granola, and it was perfect. and it was half, if not like a third of the cost of going out to get acai bowls. So fun to go out and do those things, so I still let myself go out and have acai bowls, but it was finally time to start making them at home. So a little bit of both, balance, moderation. So homemade acai bowls. I'm actually making a really fun dinner tonight, an Asian inspired dinner. It's kind of a yuzu, ginger, sesame flavoring with a fun coleslaw, salmon, some sauteed mushrooms, cilantro lime rice. So I'm really excited about that. And I really don't branch out much from the Mediterranean flavors that I love to use, and that is really what I stick to, is the Mediterranean flavors. Those are my favorite, but this is modern Mediterranean living, the modern Mediterranean diet, and it would be weird not to be able to eat all the other cultures. I want to eat their food too, of course, and granted, I'm modernizing it and Americanizing it. I am American at the end of the day. And so, you know, everything in balance, everything in moderation. Of course, you can eat non-Mediterranean things on the Mediterranean diet. So I don't showcase a lot of those recipes because I want to be known as the Mediterranean gal, right? Creating a zestful day. But I think it's fun to also make all kinds of stuff. And the one thing about American Asian food is maybe why it's not so healthy is a lot of it's so fried and so coated in sodium and sugar. So making that stuff at home is awesome because I can control what sugar I'm using, how much sugar, how much sodium, the flavors. So I was really excited for tonight's dinner, and I hope it turns out absolutely delicious. And the last and final thing I wanted to share super quickly is a giveaway. I want to do a giveaway because recently the love and support that I have gotten from you guys with this huge break from recipe videos, it has been months since I've made a recipe video, and I do feel genuinely sorry about that. I've just been getting so much love from you guys on every single video, and I cannot thank you enough in how much it is getting. I say that in every video, and it's true. I really can't thank you enough. So I really wanted to do this in honor of it being now May. It is market season. We just had our first farmers market here in my city, all over in different suburbs this past weekend. So I know it's farmers market season. I want to do a giveaway of some tote bags. So last year I released some tote bags. There are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 4 big tote bags. So this is the really large tote bags. I have all the dimensions, all the details. I will list the video that describes all the details, and I will list that down in the description. And I'll pick randomly, of course, and I'll pick in order. So the first random winner will get their say of which one they want, and then by the time it gets down to the 5th winner or the 6th winner, you might be stuck with whatever you get, but hopefully you'll love it. So we have 3 different designs, which is the blue Mediterranean fish, my logo with a little extra pieces, which is the bougainvillea and the oranges, and it's the Create a Zestful Day, Modern Mediterranean Living with my beautiful son. And then the last one, I think there are 2 giant Create a Zestful Days with the lemon wedge. In the description, you will see the rules. I will also list the rules right here. So basically, you have to be subscribed to me here. You have to like this video. You have to leave a comment below what you would like to see from me. Recipes, tips, things, any kind of advice, anything modern Mediterranean living related, anything diet related, anything just life in general related, anything you would like to see from me upcoming, like with summer or just in general in life. Please leave a comment below what you would like to see from me. leave your Instagram handle or your email so I can reach out to you if you do win. And then please go follow me on Instagram with my cooking Instagram account. I'm really trying to grow that. I'm gonna relaunch it here soon once I get started back up on recipe videos and just sharing more consistently my recipes once I figure out how I'm gonna be doing that. Just haven't had enough time to get really accustomed to my kitchen and kind of figure out how to film and the angles I want to film, so it's taken me a minute to hop back into recipe videos. And again, I'm sorry, but your support still for the lack of recipe videos has been incredible, so I really wanted to do this giveaway. There will be 6 winners of the giveaway, so if you could follow that Instagram account, like and subscribe, leave a comment what you would like to see from me, and your email or your Instagram handle or however you would like me to reach out to you if you are a winner. That would all be amazing. And if you don't have an Instagram, that's fine. It would be great for you to follow me, but that's just like an extra bonus entry into the giveaway. So that's the final thing I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to make it a little bit shorter of a video since I know my last video was like a whole TV episode long. So yeah, thank you again so much for watching. Good luck on the giveaway. Hopefully y'all want to win some fun tote bags. They're organic cotton, super high quality. They have webbed durable handles, great for your farmer market trips or any kind of trips you take this summer. And I'm just so excited to be doing this and so grateful for you guys. I wouldn't be sitting here or filming or any of this if it wasn't for you. So thank you so much for your support. I sincerely cannot thank you enough. And until next time, I hope you create a very zestful day. Ciao.